Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a beautiful gooseneck we got in stock last night. This is a 2019 Sharp 8.5 by 36 gooseneck with an 8-foot neck. This one is in a black smooth skin exterior. It's super pretty. And then you guys have the nice radius roof with the Sharp product as well. Dual front landing gear, heavy duty landing gear, which is great. You guys have a matching spare tire right there. You guys can see it. Super heavy duty steel frame with this unit as well. And the diamond plate rock guard down there is nice. Now they also run this diamond plate all along the bottom of the whole trailer, so good for rock protection. 48-inch side door does have an RV style lock on it. Two 7,000-pound torsion axles, brakes on all fours of course. And then you guys can see you've got a heavy duty 16-inch tire and wheel with that as well. This one does have a couple windows in it. We'll take a peek at that in a second. Heavy duty stabilizer jacks underneath the rear as well. It's kind of hard to get that, but they're really nice. Rear imp door does have a spring assist close. Dual transition flaps as well. You have a transition flap here, another transition flap going into the trailer. Heavy duty 3/4-inch plywood floor. This one also has a nice load light up there at the top, so you guys will have some exterior loading light there. LED tail lights, of course. I'm going to show you guys this side and then we'll go in on the interior. Again, you've got heavy duty 3/4-inch plywood on the floor, heavy duty D-rings as well. You've got 4, 2 here in the rear, 2 more up front. And here's a better shot. You've got 2 of those slider windows with screens right there, 2 overhead roof vents, nice upgraded LED lighting package as well. We did 8 of the LED lights here all across the ceiling, so you guys will have some great light in this trailer. Kind of give you guys just a better shot of what's here. Coming in, back side of the door does have the RV lock, so you have a lock-a-latch, a set of keys. Light switch right there to flip on those overhead LEDs. There's those 2 more additional D-rings, and then here's your nice big neck space for additional storage. So here it is. I will post the stock number and price down in the comments below. And if you guys are in the market for a new trailer, as always, we would love to earn your business. 303-688-8485. Check us out online anytime at coloradotrailersinc.com. And as always, we do have shipping options available for you guys. If you don't live near us, that's okay. Give us a call and we will get you a shipping quote. 303-688-8485.